Okay, I was concerned that the guard was so loose, and I saw no way to tighten it down, so I started turning it to the right, and that tightened it. So I gotta dump the footage because I just serviced that. It's Memorial Day weekend, September 1st, and yeah. Not bad. Oh god, a fucking roast. Didn't plan that. Porsche 920, freaking love it. Anyway, maybe I will service this. It had an amazing spin down time, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna leave it alone. Never heard him play that one before. Anyway, let's take a look at the motor. Uh-oh, that's not good. Crap. Hopefully it'll go back on. It has clips, like those stupid SMC fans. Well, I like them, they're not stupid, but this one's a better idea. You know why? Because there's a screw at the top. Oh, it doesn't show on camera that great. Anyway, this is my favorite shade of blue. If you have this fan in real life, you know what this looks like through light. It's not like that. It's different. Anyway, that's my favorite shade of blue. If you know, you know. That guy, Marty Raven, for some bizarre reason, he reminds me of UXW Bill. I have no idea why.
Family, friends, and fun. That's about all you need for the final party of the summer.
Except for maybe a drop back.
Wrap it up summer with a nothing but 90s Labor Day weekend on 99.5 The Wolf.
Sounds like Dan Huff on lead guitar. Multi-genre instrumentalist. I mean, musician. God, what is wrong with me? So yeah, here's the bench. I hope you like this scene, because there's going to be a lot more videos here. It doesn't screw on. That's freaking weird. Why the hell would I think that? Because I'm stupid. Sometimes. We make shiny again. That one's drying. We're listening to the only good modern country station. Yeah, McGraw-Edison. From Boonville, Missouri. I don't know when they quit making their own fans. Let me know. That one's not even plugged in and turned on. Of course, someone's got to talk over me. You probably didn't hear it, though. Mom and brother are going for a ride. My little brother's going camping. I mean, he's been at the lake or something. I don't know. It's making a little bit of noise. Moves good air, though. That feels nice. Let's unplug the phone. See how far back I can feel it from. Nice, more than gentle breeze. Cool. Pretty good. Spin down time on that one sucks, but hey, it's quiet now. This one, I ain't gonna touch this one. Okay, so I like to do a spin down from low, so get your stopwatch ready. Wow, that's ridiculous. Better pick that nail up before someone steps on it. Excuse me. I don't see the need at all to service the motor. Wow, that's great. So yeah, there we go. The best fan I found on the side of the road. Well, my mother found it. Anyway, awesome find. That one, nothing special, but hey, it's older. This one's from the 80s. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully someone enjoyed it. In the background of this music video, you can see the Southwestern Bell Building. There's your random fact for the day.